Why screening is important in diabetic retinopathy?
In diabetic retinopathy, specifically in diabetes per se, screening is important because diabetes is a silent killer. Okay, so eyes तुका diabetes झाला जाल्यार आयजूच it won't show up symptoms.
बरोबर.
It will take years and years for symptoms to show up. Like for example, आता माझी sugar start जातली to rise, increase, वाढपाक लागतली. It will be 100, 200, 300. Only when it will be सारकेच वाढिल्ली उरतली तेन्नाच I will show up symptoms. एक खंयसर तरी घावो जातलो, मोतीबिंदू जातलो, कितें तरी जातले. That time high sugars will get detected. नाल्यार it will go undetected. So by the time you have actually detected with symptoms, it has already caused end organ damage.
Correct.
End organ damage in the sense तुझी retina will get affected, that is your eye will get affected, नाल्यार kidneys affect जातली, heart affect जातलो. So by that time it is already late. So before it is already late, we have to get to that point and detect it earlier and screen it earlier. Okay.
So as we say, like, catch them young.
Exactly.
जितके शक्य तितके बेगीन तांकां आयडेंटिफाय करप
Correct.
is the one of the most important remedial measure in management.